Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm Violet and I hope you consider subscribing. Also, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these two easy 4th of July DIY home decor pieces, perfect for a coffee table or even your dining room table. So what I did was grab one of these glass candles from Dollar Tree. Then I got some red, white, and blue paint and just painting on one stripe of each color onto the front of my candle. You can make any kind of design you like with these colors. I just wanted it to kind of mimic a flag in the air. So I just did one stripe of each one kind of going downwards, if that makes sense. And you can give it 2 good coats of paint, just allowing each one of the coats to dry in between. Once they're all completely dry, what I did was grab some of these patriotic stickers from Dollar Tree as well. And they're just the rub-on stickers. And I just picked out certain words. They have quite a few different selections. So you can use any lettering or words that you want onto this candle. But I just chose to use the freedom and some of the fireworks on here, some stars, and just random different patriotic sayings and wording onto my candle. This is, again, a really easy way to do this. You can even make 2 or 3 different candles, the same style, just different wording onto them, and make them as a set if you like, if you want, for a countertop or even your dining room table, if you don't want just the one candle. I chose just to make one candle because I am adding different items around this candle. So again, just go ahead and grab any sticker or the wording that you want and then just add it anywhere around your candle. Now I'm kind of adding all my stickers around the red, white, and blue that I painted on here because that's going to be the front of my candle. But I did want them to go kind of wrap around the entire candle itself, but I'm starting all of them around the red, white, and blue. So just go ahead and use any of them, even if you want to use just the USA and the eagle from this sticker packet that you can get. They have quite a few of them. Like I said, there's quite a wide variety of wording and stickers that you can choose from for the 4th of July. One thing I can say is when you're using these rub-on stickers, make sure you rub on really good before you pull it up, because you can see that some of them I didn't, and it just kind of wanted to peel back and I had to rub it back on. So I would recommend you rub it really, really good before you peel off the backing part and leave the sticker. So I just wanted it to be really fun and festive. Like I said, I added the word freedom, stars and stripes, red, white, and blue also on here. Then I added some stars, fireworks, and some of these little fireworks sticks, I guess you could call them. And just continue. Like I said, you can make this your own and just add as much or as little as you like. I'm really enjoying using all these rub-on stickers that Dollar Tree has right now. I've done quite a few different projects with them, and I love the way they look on glass, on mirrors. I've even done them on wood. So there's quite a few ways you can do these and use these for. So once you're done adding all of your stickers, you can leave it as is, or you can even paint a clear coat if you want to recycle this and use it next year and just pop in another candle in here once this one's done. You can do that as well. Let me know in the comments below. Do you decorate quite a bit for 4th of July? Or how do you decorate? What's your traditions or what do you do for decorations? I tend to do just basically my coffee table and dining room table and even the door. That's about it for 4th of July. I really don't go all out, but I do like to add a little bit throughout my home. So for the next thing, I wanted to make a runner. So what I did was get this scarf, and I thought it was so adorable because it had the truck, the United States, and more farmhouse style, which is what I have in my dining room. So what I did with the scarf was I had some extra tassels already pre-made from a previous project. And also I tend to have these on hand or just for random projects because I know I use them quite a bit, but it's just jute twine wrapped into tassels. So I decided to go ahead and add 5 of these tassels onto each end of my scarf, and then I just ironed everything together, and there you have an adorable runner for your dining room. And all I used was some hot glue. Now, if you wanted to add some iron-on stickers, or you could even add another extra piece of felt fabric or something like that to sew these tassels onto the edges or the corners of your runner, you can do so. But I just added the tassels with some hot glue. Just make sure that you figure out which side is the back of the runner first before you do add your tassels, because if not, you're going to end up putting them in the front and then you're going to have to remove them, and you don't want to do that. So just go ahead and make sure also that you do glue them and attach them onto the back of what the runner of your scarf is. And then when you're done adding it to both ends, just go ahead and give it a good ironing, and there you have an adorable runner for 4th of July. So I hope you enjoyed this easy 4th of July decor pieces that you can use throughout your home. Again, if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.